Hello guys, welcome to the market channel. So today I'll be talking about how to sell your cryptocurrency, either it be USDT or BTC, Ethereum, BNB or any coin you wish to sell for cash on Binance. How to sell it and not to get scammed of your funds. Because many people are complaining, saying that they got scam, were selling their coin on Binance, and I was like, is it not the same Binance I'm also using? How come they are getting scam? They are ripping them. So, and I decided to put up this video. I put up a video on how to buy before and how to sell, but this video is on how to make sure you are not scammed of your coin, how to make sure your fund is paid directly into your bank account. So that's what this video is for. So before we continue, please kindly subscribe to this channel if you have not done so. If you have been watching my video and you have not subscribed, please press the subscribe button now and also turn on the notification bell, please. So let's continue. This is the Binance home page, and what you need to do is just go to the peer-to-peer trading. I go to peer-to-peer trading. You see deposit, you see P2P. So you just click on peer-to-peer trading. Or if you can't go through here, you can click on more. If you click on more, you will see trade. So under trade, look for P2P. So click it. It will take you to this particular page. So this is the buy, but buy is always easy. But the main is what sell. So for sell, you click change the button to sell. So after changing the button to sell, let's assume I want to sell 100k worth of 100k worth of USDT bank transfer. I will filter it just to, because if you look at the vendors, Smart Angel is giving 600 something per naira, and look at it, it's limited between 10,000 to 36,000. Some might say limit of 5,000, 500,000 to 1 million. So you have to filter it, and before you can filter it, use the filter icon at this edge, click it. So then what you need to do is any amount you wish to sell in naira. So, and if it's in dollar, put it, just change the currency. If it's in dollar, change this. At your top right here you will see NGN. So click on it and change your currency to it. And then, so I'm assuming I'm using naira. So let's assume I'm selling 100k worth of USDT. So bank transfer. So then press yes. So after pressing yes, you will see this page. So the first person here, you will see the number of list of the vendors, and the first person you see Anola. And look at the front of that name Anola, you see 1,035 trades. And look at the percentage of success, the percentage of completion of his trades is 98%. So this guy completes most of the trades. The remaining 2% of non completion is maybe due to cancellation or is not available online. So this person now is a trusted trader. So those are the things I do look out for. When you see any vendor with below 80%, does know that the person is a scam. You see any vendor below 80% and is telling you he has completed the 10 trades, 8 trades, 15 trades, all those ones are scam. But when you see any vendor, even if it's above 80%, and you're seeing he has completed 5,000 something trades, 2,000 something trades, 800 something trades, 200 something trades, 100 something trades, then you know this guy is perfectly okay. But before I trade, the main thing I look at is make sure that the person is above 90% or 90% and above. So once the person is 90% and above, I will surely trade. And I look at the number of trades. Oh, this guy is legit. I will trade. Because I still wonder why people are getting scammed, because I do use this peer-to-peer very well, and I've never been scammed. So that's how to go about it, how not to get scammed. Just look at the number of trades and the percentage. Then you can now, if I'm to use this one now, you can now click sell. The other clicking sell, So you can now click sell. After clicking sell, then you can now put, but even when I click sell, I do look at the time. The payment window. I always make sure it's 15 minutes. Any payment window above 15 minutes, I don't trade, because I like fast payments. I don't like someone wasting my time. So that's why I do go for 15 minutes. So, and those are the main things, sha. So then you can put your quantity, then put your payment method. Then after putting your payment method, input your quantity, payment method, then everything is balanced. Then sell. Then you are good to go. That's all. So when you see anybody with low amount of trades, 15, 10, 8, 5, and is even 100% safe, it's a scam. To me, it's a scam. I'm not saying it's a scam, but to me, because it's those kind of trades, 5, 10 is what your friends can easily sell to you, $10 or $5, and make up 10 trades. But when you have 100 trades, you have 200 trades, you have 300 trades, they have done, and you're having like 90% above, I feel you are legit. So that's how I do trade, and that's how I've not been gotten scam. So, and I feel you should follow the same thing. Look at more of trade and the percentage. The percentage is very important. Percentage, very important. And even after creating your sell order, chat the person up before even, hello, are you there? I'm online. So if the person wants to say anything, tell him to cancel the trade. That's all. So that's it. Alright. Thank you very much for watching this video. I really appreciate. So please, if you are not subscribed to this channel, please subscribe and smash the notification button for more updates and more content. Thank you very much.